Hi, scholars. This is Miss C, and it is reading time. I want you to get excited and shout, "It's reading time." We will be practicing our fluency throughout this lesson. So go ahead and put your thinking caps on. Ready? We have 2 new learning targets for our learning today. Please follow along with me as I read them. Our first learning target says, I can identify the correct homophone based on meaning and context. The second learning target says, I can read a text fluently, smoothly with expression and meaning, rereading and self-correcting when necessary.
Transition song.
Can you tell the difference, the difference, the difference? Can you tell the difference when 2 words sound the same?
Word work.
Listen carefully while I read this sentence aloud. There are 2 words in this sentence that sound exactly the same but are spelled differently. Listen carefully for those words. Where is the red shirt that you need to wear for the game? What words did you hear that sound exactly the same? If you guess where and where, you are exactly correct. You may remember that words like these are called homophones. Homophones have the same sound but different spellings. What does this where mean? Where spelled W-E-A-R means to have something on your body, as in this sentence, I will wear my new dress today. What does this where mean? Where spelled W-H-E-R-E means in or at a place, as in this sentence, I wonder where the new bakery is being built. All right, this time I want you to figure out which where belongs in the blanks. Here's the sentence. Annie decided to blank a coat because it will be cold blank she is going. The first blank seems to be about something on her body since it refers to a coat. Which where do you think belongs in the first blank? It has to be W-E-A-R. Let's take a look at the second blank. This one is referring to somewhere she is going, like a place. Which where do you think fits best here? W-H-E-R-E.
Transition song.
Can you read this fluently, smoothly, with expression, please? Can you read it smoothly, with expression and with meaning?
Fluency.
I'm going to read a part from our decodable reader, The Life Cycle of Moths and Butterflies. Listen carefully to check my fluency. Do you think butterflies and moths are animals or insects? You're right. Butterflies and moths are both insects. Did I sound like I was reading smoothly? With expression or with meaning? At just the right speed? No, that was not reading with fluency. Let me try again. Do you think butterflies and moths are animals or insects? You're right. Butterflies and moths are both insects. I think that was much better. Did you hear how I added expression and meaning by paying attention to punctuation? Did you notice that my speed was just right and I was reading much smoother? We are going to continue to practice being the best fluent readers that we can be. Let's finish the rest of our text together. Ready? Butterflies and moths are similar to each other. They both have wings with pretty patterns. They can both fly, and they both have 4 stages of life. The first stage is the egg. A mother butterfly or moth lays an egg on a leaf, a stem, or on another object. The second stage is the larva. This is also called a caterpillar. A caterpillar is sort of like a worm with legs. It eats a lot and grows very quickly. The third stage is the pupa. While inside the pupa, the caterpillar begins to transform into a butterfly or moth. The adult stage is the last stage. The caterpillar has turned into an adult butterfly or moth. The adult has wings. The wings usually have a pretty pattern on them. The adult is able to mate and lay eggs. Isn't this process amazing? Can you think of any other insects that have a life cycle that is similar to the moth and the butterfly?
Closing reflection.
Which aspect of fluency do you want to work on? Reading smoothly, with expression and meaning, or at just the right speed? If you read too slowly or too quickly, set yourself a goal to read closer to a just right pace. If your voice stays exactly the same for every word, you may not have much expression when you read. Set a goal to build the expression in your voice while you read. If you don't pay attention to punctuation, you may be missing some of the hidden meaning when you read. Set a goal to pay closer attention to those punctuation marks. Becoming a fluent reader takes lots of practice, so try to read out loud a little every day. Keep up the great work and keep practicing your fluency. Don't forget to read at least 20 minutes per day. That will help you become a fluent reader. I believe in you and good luck. I can't wait to see you next time.